Well, we are back installing our new router, our Asus AC3100 RT-88U router, and so we're just going to follow the basic instructions here. Step 1, prepare your modem. Unplug your cable modem, so I did that. Completely dead. And it says to unplug it from the power source, not just from the back of the modem, so I did that. It says connect your modem to the router with the network cable provided. So got lay cable provided. Okay. And right into the back. Looks like there's only one spot for it really. The other ones look like LAN places, so clicks right in there. Let's see. Desk is a little messy. Sorry. I'm sure everyone else's computer desk out there completely spotless. Oh my goodness! Mutilated fly on my desktop here. What is going on? Okay, getting rid of old modem. What is that to? That must be. Okay. Okay, old modem. Bye bye. Never liked you. Well, I did when you worked. Okay. So. Okay. So we got room for this bad boy here. So anyway, this is to plug it in. Put it over here. Jumbled. Okay, and so that, plug into that, so I'm getting rid of this. And going for plugging into the big yellow box on the back of that. Okay. And you couldn't really see that, I don't think. Description of all this wire here. Okay. So basically, you can see there's a lot of wires. Looks like spaghetti back there. But anyway, plugged, hello, balancing you there. Plugged that into the back here with our Aris, I don't know, Charter or Spectrum or whatever the heck it is. So, okay, that was step 1 there. Connect your modem to the router with network cable provided. Did that. Power on your cable modem. Okay, so plugging it back into the outlet here. I think I can see. I need a flashlight. Hold on. Okay, let's take it over here. There we go. Plugging it in. A little bit crowded under here. Ooh, cord. What is happening right now? Okay. And should be back in business. Okay. All right. So, well, step 1 still. Now check your cable, DSL modem, LED lights to ensure the connection is active. Not yet. Might take a minute, maybe. That's what we're waiting on here. I wonder. Yeah, it looks like we can lay there like that. Or okay, so we're waiting for that to power up. I'm gonna put you on pause since you don't really need to wait around for that, I guess. All right, hold on. We'll be back when it powers up. All right, so we're back. Went ahead and the modem's all powered on now, and then so plugging in this thing. also plugged in. Plug in the power adapter and press the power button at the back of the router. Okay, so there's a little button back there. I think I might have turned it off. Okay, the button was already in the on position, so apparently turn it on. I don't know. Check WAN 2.4 gig 5 lights, ready to ensure the hardware connection is ready. See the picture above. So it's got the lights, I guess, here. And then connect your PC to the router via Wi-Fi or using additional network cable not good. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it, folks. The rest is just logging in and then connecting and all that. And you don't need to see my password and all that. Thanks though for watching. Hope it helps. Fairly simple process. Yeah, I don't even know why I need a video for that. But anyway, thanks for watching if you did. And have a great day.